Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix blurry camera photos on your Samsung Galaxy A27. So now, if you're trying to fix your blurry camera photos, what are we gonna do first is we're gonna clean the camera lenses. So it is very important, if it's happening on the back camera, make sure to clean it. And of course, I'm gonna grab the phone. Now we're gonna swipe it on the cameras just like that. And now the cameras are looking clean, so they look good. There's nothing on them. And if it's happening on the front camera, you should also grab a microfiber cloth and just give it a little bit of a swipe. Make sure that you do not touch the cameras here at the back. What are we gonna do now is we're simply gonna go and make sure that whenever we open up the camera app, we are on the photo mode, no other modes. And as you guys can see, let me quickly take a picture on the normal mode, and here we have it. So I'm not really sure that it is let's say blurry. It's not blurry, we get it, everything detailed. Of course, it's just on the back, but we can still see the control shift, caps lock, tab, escape 1, QAZ, alt, windows, and etc. So the pictures for me looks really good. There's nothing wrong with them, and if you do have some issues, I would recommend updating your software so you can fix any camera glitches. And you can do that by going into settings and swiping all the way down to software update, and here you can click check for updates. Now if you're on the latest version, then I would recommend resetting your phone. We'll get back to that in a second. But if you're not on the latest version, make sure to update your software and then check everything out. So to reset your phone, you go to general management. Here you go to reset and you click on reset all settings. So you do not factory reset it, but just reset all settings. And that's basically it for the video. So I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.